Today I'll discuss what is X modulus and related problems connected to that. So let one end of a wire is fixed to the if one end of the wire, this is a long wire, I am magnifying it, right? This is a wire and this is the area of cross section. A is the area of cross section. This is original length and it is fixed at one end, rigid support. Let a force be applied to the other end. I am applying a force, a normal force. This is called deforming force applied to the other end. Okay. Now the force is acting on this area. Therefore, I write force per unit area. Deforming force per unit area is called stress, because this is called longitudinal test. It is acting longitudinal direction. There is a stress. As a result, what happens? There is a lateral contraction takes place. Look how the contraction takes place. Because length is, there is an elongation. You are applying a force. As a result, what happens? There is an increasing length. Small l I'll write. Some textbook they'll write delta L, or it is also called extension. There is a small extension, right? Extensions take place. There is change in length, small length is taking place, and therefore what is called stress? Stress is equal to force per unit area, deforming force. This is called longitudinal stress, right? Force. What is strain? Strain is equal to longitudinal strain. That is called deformation, increase in length by original length, or extension by original length, or deformation by original length. This is called longitudinal stress. I said what is stress, what is strain. What is Hooke's law? Hooke's law states that within elastic limit, stress is directly proportional to strain. In other words, stress is equal to some constant into strain, or stress by strain is equal to the constant. Here this is called longitudinal stress divided by longitudinal strain is equal to this constant. This constant is called Young's modulus QRY. Therefore, how to define Young's modulus? Young's modulus is the ratio of longitudinal stress to longitudinal strain. Can you follow? What is the stress here? Stress is force per unit area. This is what? Increasing length by original length. Therefore, what? F L naught divided by L A. Can you follow? This goes up L into A. Or you can write F L naught, increase in length. This is also what? Q. All these things I am going to write in the form of notes, right? Therefore, here I am applying a constant force, deforming force. There is an extension, and the force per unit area is called longitudinal stress. And strain is what? What is strain? Deformation by original configuration. It's a deformation. According to Hooke's law, within elastic limit, stress is directly proportional to strain, or stress equal to some constant due to strain, or stress by strain is equal to constant. In this case, longitudinal stress by longitudinal strain is equal to that constant is called Young's modulus QRY. that is equal to Q. You can get stress is force per unit area. This is deformation by, for example, on simplification, you'll get this. Can you follow? See, the description is given here. Let one end of the wire, whatever I have done, I have given the descriptions here. You go through the descriptions, right? Then apply what is Hooke's law. States the stress is directly proportional to strain, and whatever I explained, it is given in the form of notes. Now the entire thing you can take a screenshot